What up, it's your boy, Have You Met Brian? If you haven't, now you have. We're back again with another sneaker video, and today I'm hyped for this one because I've been waiting for this pair of sneakers since I saw MJ wearing it on The Last Dance. If you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen it, what have you been doing during the quarantine? Anyways, we're talking about the Jordan 1 Center Court Lows. And here you have it, fresh out of the box. I mean, these things, when I saw them on TV, I was just like, damn, these are nice. Or those are nice, were my exact words. And I texted my brother right away. I was like, yo, did you watch The Last Dance? Did you see those white sneakers MJ was wearing? I'm like, I need those. He's like, yeah, they're all right. And I'm like, yo, when they're coming out? I was like, I don't know. And then one of the days he sent me this, sent me a screenshot or a link or something that I forgot. And it was dropping in December or what may have you. I was like, yo, I've got to get those. And I couldn't. I tried to buy it and it was sold out. And lucky enough, he was in the sneaker group and he got these for me. So shout out to him. And they look nice. They look nice and I love them. I just you can't really go wrong with a pair of white sneakers. And I just like the details on the back. It just makes it a little bit different, pop a little bit, just white on white with this beige suede tongue and the heel logo. Overall, just a very nice pair of sneakers. You can wear with anything. Like I said, you can pair white sneakers with anything, but this one just got a little bit of oomph, on the back. I gotta say though, on feet, they're all right. They're not that comfortable. They're not terrible, but they're not that comfortable. So that was a little bit disappointed. On, looking at the picture, you're looking at the leather. I thought it would feel nicer, softer and smoother, but in person they're all right. They're all right. They're not that great. So I would say I wouldn't pay resale price for these ones, to be honest with you, although they're nice. But you have many options out there for a white pair of sneakers. But if you like them as much as I did when I saw them, just because really honestly, the back part here is what got me. These ones are definitely going to be in the rotation. So yeah, not much to it because it's a very simple pair of sneakers. And let me know what you think. Do you also want these? Or you have them, you like them, what do you think, if they're comfortable or not? Let me know. So yeah, that's it for the video today, and we got lots more videos coming out, sneaker reviews and whatnot. So if you're into that type of content, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom.